Hiya folks, you join me in my showroom. This is a first YouTube video for a long time. I'm planning on doing some more within the next 12 months, see how it goes. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. And if you want us to make certain types of videos for 2CVs, let us know. This particular video is about a little road trip we're doing. I'm purchasing a 2CV. It's a 2CV we done about 4 years ago. It's the first one we did with a brand new body shell and panels. The only slight problem, the car is in the Republic of Ireland, about an 800-mile round trip. So this is Friday night and we are catching the 2:45 ferry on Saturday morning from Pembroke to Rosslare. And then we'll be driving down to pick the car up on Saturday morning. I'm not taking the trailer, the turret back, because the cost of a trailer on a ferry is outrageous. So Jacob, my son, is going to drive it back. Now, I'm very confident the car will get back with no problems, but it's been 4 years since I've done it, and you know, we just presume the customers looked after it. But we are taking a few spare parts. Yeah, here's the spare parts we're taking. Spare battery, in case the battery's dead. It is, 4 years old now. Spare alternator, coil, fan belt, a set of spark plugs, HT leads, and a voltage regulator. Sorry to interrupt the video. I forgot to mention the two important things we are taking. One is a fuel pipe, and the second is a fuel pump. Obviously, I got some tools and a multimeter and stuff, and good old trusty cable ties. These have got me out of trouble more times than I care to mention. And also in the car, I got some duct tape. But what? Yeah, our little showroom, big enough for 3 cars. There was the electric prototype 2CV. This is a lovely little red special we got for sale on the website, but I think it is now sold. And this is a car very close to me. This is Kim. For those of you who follow me on Facebook over the years, you probably recognize it. This is the car myself and Jacob drove across America, done 5,800 miles for charity across America. There's more on that coming soon. But, and you're wondering, what's this wheel let against the car for? This is the wheel, what got this damaged in Detroit. We hit a massive pothole on a concrete motorway or freeway. And it got really badly damaged. I had to straighten it out. And we did actually, believe it or not, we did just over 500 miles on that wheel before we could get one replaced. Next time you'll see us, we'll be getting onto the ferry at 2:45 on Saturday morning. Well, hiya folks, we made it. We have collected the 2CV, as you can see. There she is in her former glory. We've done about 6 miles on it so far. Just filled it with petrol, just stopped here to use the facilities. Let me show you around. As you can see, it's been sat around for a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. Did notice the fog light's missing. Well, it's not missing actually. What it is, the gentleman is tied up with a piece of string below. He must have knocked it off on a bumpy road somewhere. Now, I'm very impressed with the bodywork. We done this car probably 5 years ago now, and there's no signs of rust. What we got inside? Yeah. Now that's the soundproofing of the bonnet for the engine. It was hanging down, so we took it down. It's got a spare wheel and tyre by the looks of it, and a jerry can of petrol, because the fuel gauge is a bit suspect. Probably just the earth. A few marks on the back wing, nothing we can't sort out. We had to change the indicator bulb because the front indicator wasn't working, but apart from that, she's looking good. Now, we found a few gems inside. We found €2.10, so I'm quids in already. I and a pair of sunglasses. I'll send back to the customer because I believe that's probably his. Oh yeah, and a spare fuel neck for the fuel can. And the gentleman's daughter also done us some lovely chocolate cakes, and they are absolutely delicious. And there's some for Jacob and there's some for me. Now unfortunately they're in the 2CV and Jacob's driving the 2CV. What's the chance of me ever seeing them? Let's see what it's like under the floor. As you would expect, absolutely spotless. We go head off now back to the hotel. It's about 170 miles, and yeah, catch you later. Do you know, on this little mountain road, I'm really quite pushing it to keep up with Jacob in that 2CV. It's not the speed he's going, it's the fact that it's quite uneven, this road. Way back in 1985, when I was 13, we came on a family holiday to the Republic of Ireland to see family. As we all know, we all got a bit of Irish in us somewhere. On this holiday, it was a great holiday. We done the Blarney Castle and Ring of Kerry and all that sort of stuff. But there's one place we visited what made a lasting impression on me for two reasons. One, as you can see, halfway up this mountain, there's a gentleman buried upright in his coffin. He liked the view so much that he wanted to be buried upright so he can always see the view. And I believe he was put there in the 1920s or 1930s. I'm not too sure. And the other reason is this road. Not a particularly special road, but it's just Helping Bend. And it was this road with that bend what sparked my imagination for epic road trips. Going across the French Alps, all what I do in cars. And you know, this is the first time I've ever driven on this road. It's quite a detour to where we are staying tonight, so we'll be getting the hotel a little bit late, but I haven't got much else to do apart from sit in the hotel and drink Guinness. 11 hours in the car, so we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow we got to be at the ferry terminal at 7:30 in the morning, so we've got to leave the hotel at 7 so we can catch the ferry back home. Thanks for joining us on our little road trip. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the final part now, back in from Pembroke. I thought I'll treat you to a little bit of third lane action in the 2CV. Catch you next time.